doesn't mean that much to me, to mean that much to you. I've been first and last, look at how the time goes past, but I'm all alone at last, rolling home to you.
Where Darryl Brett stayed, that goes back over to the bar to get those rooms.
Gordon sent us a letter, email a few months back saying he'd love to bring the car back to Bordertown, and would our club be interested in seeing it? So we sure would, and we'd like to hear his story. We'll hear that in a minute.
I was down at Kalangadoo clover harvesting with my brother, and I'd looked at the HT Monaros at Thornton. They had a bit of an evening there, and I thought, this Thornton Motors, which is where the supermarket is now, and I thought, oh, one of those would be right. Anyhow, after we'd harvested a couple of paddocks, I went to the Kalangadoo post office and rang up Thornton Motors, and I said, I want a Holden Monaro, not the GTS. I just want it as a low-key looking car, 186S. And they said, we can't give you a 186S because the model run out. You'll have to take a 253 V8, a new V8. So this happens to be the first 253 that was sold by Thornton Motors, so the first one that came into the district. And I ordered it with some options. One of the options was the heavy-duty 4-speed gearbox, which cost, I think, $180 extra, but I get mixed up with the pounds and the dollars at that time. So, and a high ratio diff. Now the diff is that higher ratio, I think it's 3.08 to 1, that the car, when I drove it flat out, it did 55 miles per hour in first gear, 70 in second, 90 in third, and then 116 true actual at in fourth gear. So it's very hard to take off when you spin the wheels because of that's such a high ratio. It's probably a good thing. So it took some expertise to get it to spin the wheels, but I got the hang of it after a while.
Freak out! You freak, say she. Freak out! 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 Have you chic.